We're obviously gonna wash the apples. Some people choose to make applesauce with the skin on for extra fiber. Some people like to remove it, and some people like to pass it through a food mill, or some people like to blend it. We're gonna be just doing one version today, but you can do either or. We're gonna wash these, we're gonna core, slice, and just dice them like we're making a potato salad into like cube-sized pieces. It just lets the cooking down process of them getting more tender go faster.
It's apple season, so there's a lot of apples, so we're trying to use them.
So many different ways.
Exactly, not to waste them. The reason why we cut our apples, I mean, there's some that they put it whole because you never know, sometimes it looks beautiful on the outside, and then unfortunately it's rotten on the inside, and then after you spoil your whole applesauce,
It's the same like when you do how my parents taught us when we do tomatoes. Some people put it whole, but we got used to always cutting it open just to inspect, because sometimes you do end up getting one diseased or rotten.
And it ruins the whole sauce.
Yep.
So we do the same with the apples. Even if you just want to cut them in half, just take a quick look inside.
All right, we'll get this finished up and then we'll meet you over to stovetop. There you go. Apples are in season, so we chose to leave them unsweetened with basically in a sense where we didn't add any additional sugars. You can choose to add honey, maple syrup, regular sugar, as you wish. We chose just to have the apples simmer down on their own with a little bit of lemon peel and lemon juice. And then afterwards, when we pureed, we added a dash of cinnamon just to brighten up a little bit more of that warm flavor. And to elevate it a bit, a little pinch of salt, and that's it. And did you know that you can use applesauce in recipes and baked recipes to replace for the sweetness? You can basically just add applesauce, and we have a really delicious video. Apple pancakes, so good, right?
Applesauce, yeah.
They were
delicious.
delicious. So you guys can have a sneak peek of that video if you click on the link here above. We are going to give this one a try. We're just gonna eat it as is. So good. And this also goes over for savory too. You can also put applesauce for savory.
On pork chops. Roast some pork chops and put it on. It's very, very good.
Really good.
Perfect.
There's a zero extra sweetness needed.
Perfection.
The apples are so tender. It's pureed. The apples are so sweet. That lemon, that little bit of citrus brightens it up, and the warmth and the cinnamon. You can add nutmeg, you can add clove, you can add pumpkin spice. We honestly just kept it simple. And you can also just put a cinnamon stick if you want to, but we just put the powder. We kept it really simple. This is absolutely delicious.
We like to keep it simple because if you have to add it into one of your recipes, that's when you can alternate with the ingredients.
Yeah, that's right. And also our channel is all about quick, easy, and maybe sometimes not fast, but easy along the steps. This one is super fast, quick, and easy. And you go apple picking, you have an abundance of apples. This is another way that you can basically use them before they go bad. Hope you guys give this one a try. This is honestly so good. So good.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for tuning in weekly. New episodes every Sunday. Apple picking. Happy apple picking season. And that's it. Until next time, thanks for watching and continue to love what you eat. Bye for now.
Ciao.
This is really good. It's sweet on its own.
You didn't say the triple W.
Oh, yeah.
Blah, blah.
Thanks. And you can also check out our recipe website at
www.whatyoueat.net.
And don't forget to check out our website at www.lovewhatYouEat.net, where you'll be able to see all these recipes uploaded with photo aid to help you recreate or inspire you to make your own. Thanks so much for tuning in to check out our content. New videos uploaded every Sunday. Thanks for watching, and that's it. Until then, continue to love what you eat. Bye for now.
Bye-bye again.
Okay, that's it. Super good.
Okay,
Super
good.
nice. All right, we did it. All right, we finished 2 videos.